Make a professional resume on Microsoft Word. There is a resume template available on Word which has all the components essential in a resume. But you can also create one from scratch, which has more components to better define your professional bio. Command plus N will lead you to the new page. Firstly, on the resume, we will start with our name. I'll make one up for demonstration. Write email address and make sure you provide a professional one. Lastly, we will add the address. The second component on the resume will be your objective. Write down your aim and how it aligns with the company's. Be precise with this and try to write a long-term goal. This will ensure how true and dedicated for the job you are. Our next component will be professional experience. This includes the places where you worked at. An internship or assistant to a practitioner can also be included in this.